welcome to Fidhzz Creations. Today we are going to make some fabric paints. For that I'm taking a bowl. We need a talcum powder. I prefer baby powder. You can use any kind of powders. Nowadays it's difficult to find fabric paints on markets. That's why I'm taking this video. After talcum powder we have to add Fevicol. Add equal quantity of Fevicol. Now we are adding water. Add water very gently and mix it well. We have to get a thicker consistency, so mix it well. Now our mixture is ready. We got it in a thicker consistency. It's just like a primer. We have to add colors into it. So let's make some homemade colorings into it which are available in our home. For that I'm taking glasses. For yellow color I am adding 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder and mix it well. We will get a very bright yellow color. Next I am adding coffee powder for brown color. Add the coffee powder and mix it well. If you need more darkness, you can add more powders. Here I am taking Ujala for blue color, few drops of Ujala and mix it well. Just like this you can add beetroot juices for pink color. Our paints are ready. We can make more colors. You can try this in your art craft drawings. It will be long lasting, so try it and tell me your feedback on my comment box. I hope you enjoyed my video. It will be helpful for you, so thanks for watching.